Same day, new project. If you already watched, we got the tailgate fixed. We got the front level done by going to mid-perch. Awesome stuff. Today, this is just more of a cosmetic thing. What I want to do is take my auxiliary 4, and I want this to power my parking lights in front so that they're all amber all the time. Now, this is where all the wiring is going to be through the BCM. I got to take this down, take a look up there, and we should find the wires we need. The brown auxiliary 4 to the green and white, or I'm sorry, yellow and green out of the green bundle. That's what I've been told. Let's try it. Might be hard to see, and we will get there, but if we open this up and if you push this in and push this in, it drops down. And here, I can't see it really, but there are some wires right here. And they're all open, and that is a brown wire back here, and these are your auxiliary switches, okay? If we look back here, you'll see the green. I'll get a flashlight in a bit. There's the green bundle with our wire that we need to tap into. So we take this brown wire, connect it to the green and yellow wire, and we should be good. I'm going to attempt to remove this bottom glove box. There's some 3 bolts down here. We're gonna remove them. Got the glove box off. It was just 3 7mm. Now I got this side panel off as well. And this is where we need to cut open this wire loom right here. Take this brown wire and feed it down here. I hope that's all it needs. Let me take this off too, because why not? I was able to unplug it, which is great. I got the side one off. This makes it a lot easier. What I'm gonna do is take my little razor blade here, cut this back, but you can see, right? This is the wire we're gonna need, is that yellow and green one. Do you see that right? Won't focus, but it's this pin right here. So I'm gonna tap into that right there, and we should be good. I think I'm gonna need a lead because it won't fit from here to here. So this brown up here won't fit down here. So we're gonna need a little lead. That won't be a problem. This was the little jumper that I made. It's 18 gauge. I got these 2 little crimps here that go around the wire. I'm hoping that that will do the trick. I don't know, we'll find out. But what I'm gonna do is put this around this wire, the green and yellow, and the other one around the brown, and then just connect the ends. So that little jumper mod actually worked, okay? So there's that. It's into that, and up there, I just crimped it onto the brown wire, okay? So right now I have auxiliary on. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna go over here, and you can see everything is off. I'm gonna go back over here. I actually have all the lights turned off on the switch. We go over here, we flip auxiliary 4 on, and bam! I think that is a much cooler look coming down the road with all those on. Now that'll also, I believe, turn on the rears. Let's go to the rear. Sure enough, I can already see the reflection. And we got those. So, pretty thrilled about that. I love the look of the ambers in front. I always know it sets it apart. So, here we go. That probably took about 15 minutes, maybe a little longer because I had to film. But bam, I'll take it.